We've all heard it before. Practice makes perfect. It's a phrase many of us often hear as we navigate different learnings in our lives. Personally, I've never resonated with this because perfection by its nature is unattainable. No one and nothing is flawless. Instead, I believe in the power of practice as a journey of trial and error, where mistakes become valuable lessons that propel us forward. True progress lies in acknowledging that there's always room for improvement. Even those who excel in their fields would likely admit that they haven't achieved absolute perfection. There's a beauty in this imperfection. It keeps us humble and hungry for growth. Imagine if we knew everything there is to know about something. Wouldn't it become incredibly boring? For me, the mantra has never been practice makes perfect, but rather practice makes progress. It's a reminder that there's always more to learn, always another step to take on the path of improvement in the evolution of my craft. And embracing the idea that practice leads to progress, I accept the notion of lifelong learning. Each new skill, each new challenge is an opportunity to expand my horizons. It's a process of learning itself that's rewarding, not the unattainable goal of perfection. This mindset allows me to approach each endeavor with curiosity and resilience, knowing that growth is a continuous journey rather than a destination. So let's embrace the imperfections and keep on learning, for that's where the true fulfillment lies. And remember, practice makes progress. Another one of my favorite quotes is, "Done is better than perfect," but we can get into that one at another time. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Please like and subscribe as it helps a ton, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.